Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Capricorn for your general energies, career situation and relationship Capricorn. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation guys Capricorn. And this is your oracle guidance. So I will open these cards at last guys. So let's start with your general reading Capricorn. So we have 9 of pentacles in reverse, 5 of wands and ace of pentacles. So Capricorn, in your situation, maybe you have trusted certain people or certain circumstances to unfold for you in an expected way. You have worked hard, you have struggled enough for that, faced lot of trials, but today that choice or that path may not work, but something is coming, some new opportunity is coming your way because of your efforts and talents guys. So it may be a new opportunity in your career or a new person in your life today, guys, Capricorn. So things are whatever you have worked for, you are getting, guys. So whatever you have sowed is what you reap today. So those efforts are not being wasted. So certain things would have gone bad, but some things are going as expected guys in your situation Capricorn. So let's see what is this card for your relationship. We have 9 of wands in reverse. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So, in this connection, you may be facing lots of misunderstandings and stressful situations, guys. You are struggling, maybe. Maybe for some of you, you may come to an understanding with this person, guys. Things may clear up. So, all the negative things happening may clear up in your connection, guys. Capricorn. So let's see what is this card for your career situation. It is 9 of swords. So again, some worrying situation in your career, guys. You are feeling sleepless, worried. You have fear and you are afraid that things may not go well for you, and you are quite embarrassed and you have some worries, apprehensions in your situation guys. But we have this card here. So there is a new beginning coming your way guys. Today you may not see that new beginning, but it is there for sure for you all guys Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards Capricorn. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. Jade. So this crystal stands for that treasures within and abundance within ourselves guys. So we are enough for us. So when people speak to you, when they are encouraging you, when they are appreciating your skills, you can listen to that. But when they are telling you you don't have what it needs to proceed forward successfully in your life, when you don't have that skill and talents, when they are speaking negatively, you should not listen to it guys. You should think positively, have that confidence in your skills and talents. So that is this crystals spirits oracle is about, Jade. So it stands for that self-love, and that true treasure within. So we have what we need in this life to face our circumstances, guys. So we have to have that belief in ourselves. So that is the reading with this card, Capricorn, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. Please like and comment if it does. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, Capricorn.